Good morning, crafters, and welcome to Creative Moments by G. I'm G, and today, guess what time it is? It's paper pumpkin time. We just received our February paper pumpkin, and it is all about adorable bunnies and frogs and spring and weather. And so we have 9 cards to show you, and we're going to make one card with you. What's so great about the cards we're going to show you is that below this video, if you are interested in recreating them, welcome to all the links below the video. So all you have to do is click view more, and we will have all those links for you to direct you to our other YouTube channels. Now, I also want to tell you about Stampin' Up! Is having a 10-year celebration with Paper Pumpkin. And so if you order Paper Pumpkin before March 11th, the kit that you get is going to have an extra stamp set with it. And this stamp set is all about happy greetings, botanical gardens. I mean, it just sounds fantastic. I'm going to put the link below the video so that if you want to purchase that, hop on over there. So let's head down to the crafting table and let me show you what this February kit is all about, and let me show you those alternatives. Okay, you get all these wonderful goodies in your kit. I mean, look at these cute little animals. Oh, he's my favorite. Now, look at the stamps that you get. Are those not adorable? And those sentiments stamp beautifully. So let's get into making a card. For this card, you're going to need a top fold, and that is simply 11 by 4 1/4 scored at 5 1/2. Now, we went ahead and look at this. This is that beautiful embossing folder. Oh my goodness, this supply will be linked below the video if you must have it, because it is a must-have. So let's go ahead and lay that down on our card front. Now, because this is a 3D embossing folder, you will want to go ahead and put a lot of glue and make sure it's in those crevices, because this folder just really embosses the paper beautifully. Now, the next thing we did is we cut, using frame florets, this little frame. Can you see that? It's so pretty. It has these little ridges around it. Love it. And we also popped out this white oval. Now, we're going to stamp this, so I'm going to bring in a piece of paper, and I'm going to bring in the Mango Melody, and we're going to stamp the beautiful sun. So let's just tap, tap, tap. And let me just get the sun going about right there. And look how great that stamps. So pretty. Now we're going to stamp our sentiment, which is wishing you sunshine and smiles. And we're going to put that about right there. We're going to use our Memento Black. So tap, 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 and hold it for good contact. Now we're going to add our cute little chickie. We're just going to put him right here, but before we put him down, we're going to add some of the flowers that you receive. You can just punch those out. So cute. So let's just add them with some glue. Now, on the little cute chickie, we're going to go ahead and put him on with some dimensionals. So we just have that. And now all we're going to do is cut around the oval. So just turn it upside down. Cut those extra flowers off. And now get your dimensional to put on the back of this cute little chickie. Now notice he's looking up because he's looking at that wonderful sunshine and that sentiment. How cute is that? And now when it's time, we can just slip that right under there. But we went ahead and we used the paper that they gave us, and we used the Mango Melody. And now we're just going to create a nice little border right here. So we're just going to put it like right there. Making sure that you have the same border at the bottom and at the top. And once again, this is a 3D embossed mat, so you really need to push hard. And then we're just going to lay this piece of paper that they provided in the kit. Now we're going to put him about right there. And we're just going to lay this down when it's time. So let's go ahead and get some glue on the back of this. And now lay our frame down. Look at the front of that card. Is he not adorable? Now you want to make sure and finish the inside, so we're just going to double mat it. We're going to bring in that beautiful Starry Sky cardstock. And because you can't write on that, we're bringing in a piece of white paper and laying it down. And we have our card. So cute. These little guys are just adorable. Before I show you the alternatives, I want to show you how to cut this envelope. Because if you don't want to use it as an envelope and you want to use this paper, let me show you how to get the most from the paper. Take your trimmer, and I always start cutting just a little bit on this side. See, and it's not very much at all. It's just a little sliver. And it opens it right up. But you want to keep this edge against the top so that it's completely straight. Go ahead and cut the other side. And now you have this flat. So now you can cut really whatever size paper that you need, because you can go from here, this little point, to right here, and you can still use this area. So this is just a great way to open up your envelope. Now let's look at all the alternatives that we have created. Of course, we had to create a shaker card, right? Because you received these beautiful frames, and so what are you going to do with those? Well, one of them probably is a shaker card. Look at this. We actually used our little raindrops coming out of some of the clouds and put friends in any kind of weather. Here's our adorable little bunny that is my favorite, but so pretty. Those colors are spring. I love them. Next, look at this one. This is actually a frame as well. We took this from the frame florets, added this card. Now look at that beautiful rainbow that you can see right in front. You brighten my day. And we added the little gems that they include with the kit. Next, oh my goodness, look at this. We did a Z fold. We used one of their frames again that they gave us. We added the little ducky, we added some raindrops, and we added this little frog. Look at this one. Oh my goodness. And yes, we do have videos linked below this video on how to make all these cards. Is that not cute? So cute. The only little critter that's missing is our little frog on this one. Now look at this one. This is a wiper card. Pull it apart and open it up. We just had to bring in that beautiful stamp that talks about covered in sunshine. And it just fits back together. We also created an explosion card. Here's our little turtle. Pull off the band. And what do you see? Explosion! There's our little frog. Next, look at this beautiful card. Use this frame again, and you open it up, and there you have it. Now, let me give you a tip on how to get this cut very easily for the inside. Before you decorate this, after you use our measurements to cut this card, before you put anything on the front, you're going to put your mat right here on the inside of your card. You're going to fold this over and you're just going to trace on your mat the V's that you need to cut out. And when you open it up, take it out, cut those out. That's really the easiest way to get this cut, just like this. Just a little tip. Here is this cute little bunny. Now look at how he stands up. You simply fold out the bottom and he becomes an easel card. Look at that. So pretty. And then you just fold him up to put him back in the envelope. And finally, we created this adorable card. Look at that. You brighten my day. But I want to show you what we did to our little rabbit. We went ahead and we gave our little rabbit some eyelashes. We also used the umbrella and cut it for a skirt. So he's walking with his girlfriend. Is that not cute? So cute. Well, let us know your favorite below. Take a moment, make a comment. We hope you love our alternatives, and we hope that you make it in time to purchase the new paper pumpkin coming out, because you're going to get 2 stamp sets. Well, go out, make it a fantastic day, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.